How illegal is it?
I don't know. Legal enough, I guess.
That helicopter literally just came and shut us down. It came and circled us.
Fuck it. Oh, that is too hilarious, dude. They were